You guys have seen me cover a lot of different gadgets on this channel recently. We are just taking a quick look at a useful accessory to help with that. Before we look at the product, I have a small but important request. If you find these videos helpful, please take a second right now to hit that subscribe button and like the video. It genuinely helps the channel grow and motivates me to keep making these reviews for you. Okay, let's look at the Boat EnergyShroom. Opening the box, it's straightforward. You get the manual, a cable, and the unit itself. The first thing to note is the build. It uses an aluminum casing rather than plastic. It feels solid and cool to the touch. It's a 10,000 mAh capacity, but as you can see, it's quite thin. It's not bulky, so it's easy to just slip into a pocket or a bag without thinking about it too much. It's just a clean, durable design. Moving on to the features, let's test the wireless charging. You just place your phone on the pad here. As you can see, it detects it and starts charging immediately. It's obviously not as fast as using a cable, but for convenience, like if you're just sitting at a desk or cafe and don't want to mess with wires, it does the job perfectly. If you do need a cable, you have the standard USB port here. I'm connecting it now to show you this is good for standard charging speeds or for accessories like your watch or 2S case that don't necessarily need high wattage. For faster speeds, you'll want to use the Type-C port. This is a two-way port. I use this to charge the power bank itself, but it also outputs power to your phone. If you are low on battery and need a quick boost, this is the port you should be using. Finally, there is pass-through. Charging this is actually quite practical. I've plugged the power bank into the wall and my phone into the power bank. It charges both at the same time. It's useful if you only have one wall adapter handy, so that's the overview. Just a simple, useful tool for your daily carry. Again, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps out. Thanks for watching.